In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Confluence. Let's start right where you want the form to live. Open the Confluence page that will host your form and enter the page editor by clicking the pencil icon. Working in the editor makes it easy to see where the form sits alongside your other content. So place your cursor exactly where you want the form to appear. Next, insert the form macro. Press the / key to open the macro menu. Then start typing forms or confi forms, depending on what's available in your Confluence setup. Select the macro to add it to the page. If you don't see a built-in form option, your site may need a forms add-on, such as Confi Forms, from the Atlassian marketplace. To make that easy, you'll find a link to the official Confluence site, and the Confi Forms add-on at the top of the description. Once the macro is inserted, you'll get a container where you can define what the form collects and how it behaves. Now configure your form fields. Add exactly what you need. Text for short answers, dropdown for predefined choices, checkbox for yes or no selections, date for scheduling, or number for quantities. Mark fields as required when they're essential, and give every field a clear, concise name, so submissions are easy to understand later. Good labels and placeholders help users know what to enter without guesswork. With the fields in place, set the form's properties. Decide who can submit the form. Everyone with access or only specific groups. Turn on notifications if you want email alerts when someone submits. Then choose where to store the data, on the page, which is quick and convenient, or in an external database if your organization needs centralized reporting. Align these choices with your team's governance and privacy guidelines. When you're ready, publish your work. Click Publish or Update to save the page and immediately run a quick test by submitting a sample entry. This helps you confirm required fields behave correctly, options display as expected, and notifications arrive where they should. Finally, manage your submissions. Most form macros show entries in a table right on the page or in a linked view, and many let you export to CSV or Excel for analysis. Use the built-in controls to edit, approve, or delete entries as your workflow requires. A brief review of your sample submission will catch issues early and keep everything running smoothly. That's it. Your Confluence form is live, clear, and ready to collect data. Thanks for watching.